Hi there, it's Mel from Om Health Wellness here for your breathing break. In last week's video, someone commented that they wanted to understand why breathing was so important. So I thought, fabulous, here's a topic. So I've pulled out my trusty Deepak Chopra, The 7 Spiritual Laws of Yoga, because he does a really great job here of breaking it down to explain why breathing matters so much. So in yoga, there is a breath practice called pranayama, and it is multiple ways of breathing, but essentially it is bringing that life force, that prana, into our bodies. So you may have heard the word chi, prana, life force, they're all the same thing. So let me just read a little excerpt from this book. Learning to regulate prana to calm, balance, cleanse, and invigorate your body-mind is a powerful technique of yoga. Your breath integrates many layers of your life, your environment, your respiratory tract, your nervous system, your mind, and every cell in your body. Regulating your breath enhances your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. It is the key to a healthy, vibrant life. Studies of yoga practitioners have found that with practice, people can learn to consciously decrease their blood pressure, slow their heart rate, reduce their oxygen consumption, alter their circulation, and lower their stress hormone levels. So in today's culture, with all of the rushing, with all of the stress on our bodies and our cells from the environment, from life, breathing, coming back to the simple breathing will help rejuvenate and revitalize all of the systems in your body. So we spend a lot of time talking about self-care. We spend a lot of time talking about stress. So just taking a step back, and part of self-care is breathing. So spending a minute, working yourself up to 20 minutes a day even, of just consciously focusing on your breathing, being aware of it, will help your overall health and vitality. So let's take a couple of minutes now, sitting up nice and tall. Let's just practice together. So just close your eyes and begin to notice, what is your breath doing in your body today? How are you feeling? Are you able to breathe lower than just your chest? Expand from your belly. So part of our conscious breathing is learning to use our full lung capacity. So with the awareness of your breath, begin to expand through your belly, your chest, all the way up to your collarbones. Just focusing on a deep inhalation and a complete exhalation. And as it says in the book that I just read an excerpt from, with practice. So however many years you've not been breathing, whether it's 20, 30, 40, 70, 80, coming back to your breath. So if you look at a tiny baby, they expand with their whole body when they're breathing. We do remember somewhere in our bodies and our cells how to do that. So bringing that back into your life, expanding and breathing with our whole body to bring that stress down. So just taking a few minutes each day and focusing on your breath, you'll begin to notice with practice some differences in how your mind is. Maybe it's not racing as much. So as always, I'm here to support you in your breathing journey. Message me, omhel.com, or on social media at omhelwellness. I would love to hear how your breathing practice is going. So with that, have a wonderful day. Keep breathing.